Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be repainting and reinstalling the front fender cowl assembly thing. I'm not sure what else to call it. Two things before we get started. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps me, it helps the channel grow, and it helps you not miss an upload. The second thing is if you want to be eligible for my giveaway, hit the join button up above to become a member, and then you can be eligible for this giveaway. I'll put it on the screen what it all entails. It's a cafe racer seat, control switches, a hat, and a mug. All right, let's get after it. Cheers. that's gonna do it, you guys. I'm unbelievably happy with how this turned out. I think it looks super good. We're checking stuff off the list. We're getting that much closer to being able to ride this thing, which is gonna be super awesome. But yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You can also join and become a membership up above to be eligible for the giveaway, as I mentioned. Also get free merchandise if you join the 1000cc level. Stay tuned for more on this build. We're gonna be starting on the exhaust. I'm gonna wrap the headers, and I got a aftermarket exhaust muffler. And if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.